My name is Elmar Smisevic. I participate in drone races, and I have been in this hobby for about 6 years. I went to a summer camp that was associated with drone racing. I learned to solder and to fly with drones there. This is the drone. I race with it. I participate in races and they are quite fast. They go approximately 200 kilometers per hour. And to control this drone, we use a remote controller. And they come in different sizes, different colors. And it just transmits the signal to the drone so it can react to the stick inputs. And to see what the drone is seeing from the camera, we use the goggles, which we just put on, and it transmits the signal from the drone to the goggles.
The most important skills is decision making, because drone sport is very fast and you need to make decision immediately in a second. And this also helps him in the real life later on to make very important decisions for him.
In Latvia we have many drone racing clubs where we teach kids how to solder and repair, fly, and we also organize different competitions in different cities and compete to each other.
Kuri audzēkņi nāk uz drona pulciņu, viņi sākotnēji domā, ka viņi vienkārši izklaidēsies un viņi viņus lidinās, bet tas iekļauj arī gan to dronu izgatavošanu. Mums šeit ir pieejams frēzes un presēšanas ierīces, ar ko var paši viņi izgatavot. Un, jā, tad šis aspekts, kā piemēram konkursu, sacensību rīkošana, ir ļoti būtisks, lai noturētu to uzmanību. Tā viņi arvien vairāk saprot, kas vispār ir drons un ko ar to var iesākt, un tā iesaistīt vairāk interesi visā programmēšanā, elektronikā, kur šīs prasmes ir arī ļoti būtiskas kādās citās dzīves jomās.
If you fly more, you crash, you broke your drone and you need to fix it. And then I came in to help him. And this is how we started to manage this hobby together. I learned together with him actually, because this was also new sphere, new industry for me, these drones.
I would definitely like more people to get into this hobby, because I think it's quite misunderstood, and people could use the knowledge, about drones, because it helps with other stuff in life.
Dronu apmācības kļūs arvien aktuālākas, un tā ir arī atbildība izglītības iestādēm, un arī kā mums interešu izglītības iestādēji arvien vairāk aktualizēt. Un dronu apmācības tas arī iekļaujās, kas mūsdienās ir izglītības joma STEM, kas ir arvien populārāka kļūst. Tas nozīmē, kur apvieno matemātiku, inženierzinības, zinātni kopā, kuras prasmes bieži vien nevar iegūt vispār izglītojošā skolā, kur tas ir tikai teorētiski. Tad šeit pie mums Annas 2 namā tas ir iespējams apgūt praktiski, kur audzēkņi izgatavo dronu no pašiem pirmsākumiem līdz pašam gatavam dronam, ko var pacelt gaisā.